Hey everyone, it's Donna. Okay, I'm at a friend's cabin and I thought this might be fun to do some different venues. And so we're going to do an Adore Me unboxing. And thank you for letting me, the person behind me there, she's very kind to let me come in and videotape in her cabin. Okay, here we go. Northern Michigan, that's where I'm at. We've got this Adore Me lingerie unboxing video. And so let's get started. Let's see what we got. They wrap everything up in this little plastic, which makes it really cool. And we're going to do this quick because I'm getting ready to go for a walk. So we're going to put that down there. Okay, let's take a look at the first item. And there will be no try-ons. This is a lingerie type of thing, and I don't think that's cool. But this is cute. This is a little top, little fluttery top. You can see the things here. Let me get a little closer. Okay. Very cute. In the back it has adjustable straps. You can see that. So that's one item. Then we got this. Here. This is cute. Some little shorts, kind of a mint green, really soft green. It's pretty. And it comes with this little top. It's a hoodie. There we have that. That's cute. Long sleeve. In Northern Michigan, it does get a little cooler up here. So that's pretty cool. Next item, what do we have? This is cute too. Little shorts, but it has a little detail. Look at that lace on the side of those shorts. It's a drawstring in the front, and it is adjustable. Very cute. So there's that. And it comes with it's like one of these, it's almost a dolman look. It's tied, it's smaller at the bottom, it's long. This will be cute. I'll be curious to try this out. Gosh, I hope we get enough sunlight. It's getting a little darker here. And it has lace along the top and in the back here. You can see it. So that's kind of cute. And they usually will send 3 to 5 items, so we got a few things here. Now this color is it's a light plum, purple. It's got a purple tannish look to it. Has lace at the bottom of these shorts on this set. And it has a little top that is lace in the back, short sleeve. It's kind of a flutter. You can see that. It's pretty. Although I do like a little bit more vibrant colors. This isn't really I do see maybe the black set and the mint green set. I do like those. I'll have to try them on later. We have one last set. I'm not sure what this is. Here's the top, and that's cute. It's your basic little top. And it comes with these pants. Huh. This is interesting. I'll have to try these on. Now you see how it's ribbed in the front. Let me show you. It's got some rib. Oh, it's on the side. There's ribbing and there's pockets on either side, and on the band it is ribbed. But the back side and the front is basically this, just a soft material, very stretchy. And that's pretty. I think that might be pretty. Anyway, I'm going to stop for now because we want to take a walk, and I want you to take a look at my other videos, please. and I hope you will. Please subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.